Welcome to our tutorial about the sweep command. The sweep command is also used to create irregular solids and surfaces. Let's create a couple of profiles. First, a rectangle, and a second rectangle as my second profile. Now we need to create a path. I'll use a spline, something like this. From the Extrude menu flyout, activate the sweep command. First thing to do is select the object to sweep. I'll use one of my rectangle profiles. Right-click and enter to finish selection. Now we select a path to sweep along, and the sweep executes immediately. Let's undo that sweep and switch to realistic view. Activate the sweep command again. Select the second profile, right-click and enter to finish selection. Now select the path, and as you can see, the orientation of my sweep has changed. Let's click Undo. Activate the sweep command again. Select the object to sweep. Right-click and this time scroll to Mode. Choose Surface. Select the path, and our sweep executes. And here is our surface. Let's undo. Activate the sweep command again. Select the profile to sweep. Right-click to finish the selection. And let's take a look at some more sub-options. Let's right-click and scroll to Base Point. I'm going to select this corner. And once again, I'll select a path to sweep along. Even though we use the same entity and path, our sweep looks pretty different. Let's undo and try it again. Select the entity to sweep. Right-click and enter to finish selection. Now right-click and scroll down to Scale. Let's enter a value, a scale factor of 2. Enter. Once again, select the path. And our sweep executes. Let's take a look at one more example. Activate the sweep command again. Select a profile, right-click and enter. Now right-click and select Twist. Let's enter a twist angle value of 45 degrees, enter to register, and select the path to execute the sweep. And here we have the results. Let me just orbit it so you can better see the twist. So once again, you can create an unlimited variety of solids and surfaces, all in just a few clicks. This concludes our overview of the sweep command.